Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and you are watching From Nisha's View. And you know, on this channel I talk about all things photography, so you know what it is. It is Photography Talk with Nisha. And today, what are we going to get into today? We're going to be talking about gifts that you can give your photographer. Yeah, it's Christmas. Well, actually, these could be just any gift. I know we're in the Christmas season, but these could be year-round gifts. I would take them year-round if you give them to me. Okay, so stay tuned. We're going to get into those gifts that you can give your photographer. I have my notepad here, so if you see me looking down, it's because I have notes, and you know, I want to stay on track because I be getting off track. But we're going to stay on track today, and I'm going to give you some gift-giving ideas that you could give your photographers. So first, actually, you know what? Last year I did this, and yeah, I did this last year, and it was a good list. And we're going to stay with two of the things that I talked about last year. We're going to keep them on the list for 2024, and that is one, SSD cards or memory cards, and then your hard drive. Okay, so your hard drive and your memory cards. Now, you will always need these two things if you are a photographer, if you are a content creator. You're going to need your memory cards, and you're going to need an external hard drive. All right, now for your memory cards, we are going to say, to get in the door, because we at the club, to get in the door, you're going to need to have 128 gigabytes. Off the bat, off the rip, you're not going past go unless you got 128. So 128 gigabytes for your memory cards, and then at least a terabyte for your hard drive, your external hard drive. Point blank, period. That's what it is to get in the club. So those two things, for sure, those two things, what you need, you know, all the time. You need that all the time. You need that all the time. But okay, so got that out the way. Your memory card and your external hard drive. All right, so now for 2024 the thing that I'm going to tell you that would be a great gift for a photographer or even a content creator would be a changing tint. You need a change in tint. You need a change in tint. Get a change in tint, because it will definitely help you when you're out on location and your model, your client needs to change clothes. I've had my change in tint for years. My friend gave it to me as a gift, and I appreciate it. And she getting a little wear and tear, but she is so worth it, and your clients will appreciate you for having that change in tint. It comes in handy. So a change in tint for sure. All right, second gift idea. Earmuffs, scarves, gloves, hat. Make sure if you know you're giving it to a lady, or maybe even the guys, have it lined. A lined hat, silk lined hat. I'm being specific, but any of those things, earmuffs, a hat, gloves, scarves, especially if you're a photographer or content creator, is a person that loves the outside, who loves still to go outside, even if it's 20 degrees. You know, those early morning sunrises are cold, okay? Especially in the wintertime. It is cold. So yes, we will love those earmuffs. We will love those gloves, especially if, you know, those are special type of gloves that where you can still touch the screen. Yes, give it to me. A scarf. Yes, and make it stylish. You know, if you want to be real cute with it, get their name engraved on it. Get their name engraved on it, okay? All right, so third thing. Third thing I have is your portable charger. We need a portable charger. Portable charger and rechargeable batteries. Yes, I've had this this portable charger for years. It has a little flashlight on it as well, and it has your USB ports here. But I've had it for years. It comes in handy. I have my it's this iPhone charger. If you're an iPhone user, you need your charger, especially if you're going on hikes and you want to make sure that your phone is charged. You can charge both AA and AAA batteries. So if you use your speed light and you want to just make sure that you're not really sure about your battery that's in the speed light, you just want to take extra just in case. I'm a just in case person. I like to sometimes overpack, but just in case, get you some rechargeable batteries. Put them in your camera bag. Is a film person, so if they are a film photographer, my recommendation, I do a little bit of film. I'm not no expert in it or anything like that, and I don't develop my film, but I've shot film before. And one of the things that I would love to have as a film photographer would be, and if they are a Kodak person, Kodak Portra 400. Portra 400, let me tell you, Portra 400 is almost like the holy grail of film stock. You can't never find it. For one, you really can never find it. It's always out of stock. But if you find it and you have a film lover photographer, Portra 400, buy it, get it for them. They will love you. And also, if you can't find Portra 400, check out Kodak Color Plus 200. Okay, so for sure, if you can't find Portra 400, get Kodak Color Plus 200. And now, sticking with your film, guys, if you have a film person, then get them the case that puts the film cartridges into a little case that they can house their film canisters in. So that would be a great combo gift that you could do: the actual film stock, and then the case that the film stock goes in. So if you have a GoPro, or if you have like a DG Osmo Pocket 1, 2, 3, they have the little micro SD cards. So make sure that there's an adapter with it so that you can use it to download the footage onto your computer, your laptop, whatever it is that you're editing on. So just to keep all of that really organized, just get them a case. When you get the memory cards and the external hard drive, get them a case to put all of that in. All right, now next up is headphones. Any content creator, any photographer, to get you some headphones, some good headphones, some quality headphones to use mainly at home. So let's say if you're doing your voiceover work, or even if you're editing and you want to be immersed into your music or whatever it is that you're listening to while you're editing, because I listen to music most of the time, and I have these headphones. I use these for work as well, and they're not wireless, but of course you can get wireless if you want. These headphones are Turtle Beach, okay? Turtle Beach, and they are actually gamer headphones. And I got these from Best Buy maybe 2 years ago. They work very well. Like I said, I use them for work. I use them for editing. If I'm doing voiceover work, I use these. Microphone is great. Noise canceling headphones as well. Now, these were on sale when I got them. Like I said, I got these like 2 years ago, and had this stuff. So if they are available, I will link them. I think I only paid maybe $30 for these at the time. So I will link some. I will link some more too. JBL has some good ones. Sony, of course, has good ones. Bose has good ones. Beats. There are a gambit of headphone retailers out there, but definitely I would suggest buy them some headphones. They will appreciate it. Okay, next up. Now, if you've been following me since last year, I started talking about beginner, how to help a beginner photographer when they first starting out. And I suggested certain things that maybe you should, work toward. And I talked about lens. about your kit lens. Normally it's not that great, but it's good for right now, you know, for what you're doing right now. And I would say now it's a year later. You've been out there, maybe you've, you know, stepped up and you're ready to get beyond your kit lens. So my suggestion, if you are wanting to buy a gift for a photographer, get them a lens. My suggestion, what did I talk about a couple of videos ago? Prime lenses, and preferably the 35mm. 35mm is my favorite all around go-to lens, and I love it. You can watch that video. If you can't do the 35, then I would definitely say the 50. The 50, the nifty 50 would definitely be a great step up lens from your kit lens or from their kit lens. So a lens is a great gift to a photographer or to a content creator. All right, so now my bonus would be an emergency kit. Now, my husband has the emergency kit. He's the one that actually takes care of all of that stuff. I don't remember. But it is a very good idea for you to have one, especially if you're going out on location, just to have one in general, right? Just put it in your car, keep it in your car. But your emergency kit, I would include in that emergency kit a poncho, a rain poncho. What else do I have? I'm gonna just read off the list, okay? Rain poncho, Band-Aids, because you never know, wet wipes, hand sanitizer, scissors, okay, tape, hairpins, safety pins, tissue. You always need some tissue, okay? And I put on here unscented lotion because, you know, especially if you're out in the wintertime, we're gonna put some lotion on, okay? We're just gonna put some lotion on our hands, okay? Keep it moisturized, all right? So yeah, so those things are definitely, and you can add like maybe some gum, maybe some candy, some hard candy if you're out and, you know, your blood sugar gets low. You can get some candy, get it back up, okay? And maybe like a nutritional bar or something like that, something with substance in your bag. They could do an emergency kit for you. So if you're watching, okay, you hint around to people and say, oh, I think this would be a good little idea, you know. And if they're real crafty, then they could just make you a little, you know, little gift, you know, something that'll fit in your camera bag, something that you can just take with you, just little travel size stuff. So yeah, that is a very good gift, and your photographer friend, family member, loved one, whatever, would definitely love the gift. I think this may be my last video for 2024. I'm not sure yet, but if it is, I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in, and as always, subscribe, okay? Subscribe, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button, hit the comment, tell me below what gift ideas would you like to have. I truly appreciate you guys for tuning in and watching with me and sharing with me this year. And I pray and I hope that you will have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. Till next time.
Thanks for watching my GG channel. Period.